vlog. Give it a minute. We're out here putting today with some putters. If you ever played disc golf, you have to know how to putt. Later we're gonna get a round in. It's time for a round. It's also time for an appearance from Wrigley. Wrigley, come here, baby. Come here, baby. She's getting so big. I think she probably weighs about 70, 80 pounds now. But she's so pretty. She's a little princess. But yeah, so we're out here, we're just putting, playing games with the dog. Playing games with the dog. Let's get some dog time. Come on, y'all. Yeah, should have a pretty good day lined up for y'all. Let's go. Bro, I don't know what you want. This ain't. Hoverboard died, y'all. It's a bummer. But we just hanging out with the fam a little bit today. Gonna go play some disc golf in a little bit. And it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna probably want a pretty decent vlog today. Yeah, let's get it. We gotta load up this car. Hey, we're good to go, so let's hit the road. Get in the car. Yo, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It is 7:42 a.m. We've been on the road for about 10 minutes now. Heading down to Salina, Kansas. Gonna play the Thomas Park tournament. Look at all this ginger in my beard. A heavily wooded course. No real expectations going in here. Just here to play. And have fun. Probably gonna be throwing a lot of truths. A lot of explorers today. Probably throw the getaway a little bit. And then there's a bomber hole where I'll, we'll let her loose. But other than that, it's gonna be a fun round, fun day, interesting time. Not really sure how it's gonna go, but we'll find out eventually. So come along and let's see how we do. Are you guys super sick of birds playing chicken too? Because I freaking sure am. I smoked a bird and I'm pretty sure it's stuck in the grill. What did I gain? Like some notoriety from the birds in the bird gang? Like got suicidal birds out here playing chicken with cars and they're freaking hitting cars' grills and getting stuck in grills, probably breaking grills. Freaking gosh darn birds. Dude, one dude took off this way and was like, see ya. And another dude's like, wow, bang. I hit another one. I think these birds know what they're doing. They're trying to ambush us. They know. They poop on our cars, turd on our cars. They know what they're doing. They know. Vlog, how we doing? Hope you're having a good day. Things did not go very well out here today. First round, I was doing good to start. I actually missed 2 birdies to get going early. Ended up throwing a bad drive on like hole 17. That kind of got in my head a little bit. I tried to not. I told myself move on, and I ended up taking a 7 and a 6 in back-to-back holes. Yeah, we had some work to do. Second round. We're like 11 back of the guy on my card that shot best. 7-0 was the best. On my card, I ended up shooting 16 over the par, guys. That's probably the worst round I've shot in 4 months, without a doubt. Darn bummer, but we're not out of it. This is a rough course.
2 hours later.
Well, second round didn't go any better. Shot 70 again. Shot 2 70s. First round, my front nine was a 33. Second round, my back nine was a 37. First round, my front nine was 37. My back nine was 33. Second round, my front nine was 33, my back nine was 37. So we're consistent out here. But no, before the round, I had a little misfortune. My freaking Zuka, this thing came off, so I had to ditch my Zuka. I was halfway to my tee, and then it did that, so I had to ditch it. I ended up finding it when we got to the hole later, found my little deal, put it back on, and brought the Zuka back to the car in the middle of the round. But yeah, I don't think we're going to cash. Not a whole lot of good went on this week. But I think we're going to take, I don't know what's going on next week. We might take next week off, I'm not sure, unless it's keeper of the chains, then we're going to keeper. But yeah, pretty unfortunate day. But it happens. You're not going to play every weekend good, so. Yep, we'll get her next weekend.
12 seconds later.
So yeah, I decided that 2 rounds wasn't enough. I saw these guys. I'm not playing a full round right now, but I saw these guys. I was like, hey, you know, I'm gonna go play a couple holes with them. And now I kind of regret it, but not yet. Turn. I never really filmed the proper outro for yesterday. Basically, we didn't cash. We got second to last. Shout out to Tom Bomb Maxwell, first advanced swim form. Tom shot 2 down, and that's just incredible with that course. Everybody else who helped out run the event, fantastic. Thank you guys. Yeah, I don't got a whole lot else to talk about. I just wanted to make sure I told everybody thank you and gave Tom a congratulations on it. And yeah. Y'all, I'm chilling in the hoodie. That's how relaxed I am today. It's not going to plan on doing much. So, as always, y'all, have a good time and happy hucking. Later. You know what I think is the worst thing in the world? Is when you're in Walmart and you're coming out of the store and you're all mad because of how much money you spent, and then you realize you went out the wrong damn entrance, and now you gotta walk all the way across from that entrance all the way to the other entrance, and it sucks, man! Freaking gosh darn birds.